G-Delivers is a hyper-local food delivery app. Parang logistics app siya. And tinatawag ko siyang super app din kasi meron siyang e-commerce dyan. You can order food, you can order pharmacy items, grocery items, may mga pabili at pa-pick up din yan. So parang yung mga malalaking players na existing sa Philippines, inano namin siya. Like we combined it into one and we offered it sa mga underserved areas. So yung mga hindi madalas nakakatikim ng mga technology, na mga ganito, we let them try it and it's working and then it's helping people. Nakakapag-provide kami ng livelihood sa riders namin, nakakapag-provide kami ng assistance or additional markets sa mga vendors and customers as well. Startup success is what we are feeling right now. Yung social impact na nagagawa ng app namin. If you are touching lives, if you are making a difference sa buhay ng ibang tao, not just yourself, that's success. Yun talaga yung success. Hindi yung magkaka-million ka, billion ka. Ano lang yun, additional lang yun sa value na nagagawa mo sa sa community mo. So if you are making an impact, that's success. Kasi hindi nababayaran ng pera yung ganun na impact.
Impact.